Hi everybody, I'm Natalie with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and today on Embroidery 101 we are going to learn the running stitch. It's a super simple stitch and works great in lots of different applications. So what you're going to do is take your thread and your needle. You're going to have a knot in the end of your thread and it will be hidden in the back of your project. So I'm going to come up at the starting point. All right, let me show you this a little bit closer. So we're gonna stitch down into the fabric and then stitch back up just about half. I usually do half the length of my stitch as my spacing. I think that looks really nice, but really the spacing is completely up to you. Be creative and do whatever you like. And here I'm going to go ahead and just pick up several stitches so you can kind of just go in and out like so. And that makes it easy to get several stitches in at once. Just like that. All right, so one fun way to use running stitch in your quilting is to add it as an echo quilt line. It looks a little bit like big stitching and comes out really cute. I think it looks great. Another fun thing to do is just embellish your projects, like this little jacket we have here. These are just running stitch lines and some of them go horizontally and some vertically in different colors. I think it makes a really great accent. If you enjoyed this video, there's lots more where that came from. I have a whole channel called Embroidery 101 where I teach you what you need to know to get started and also give you tons of tips and ideas to refresh your memory and help you to advance in your embroidery journey. So click the link below and I hope you enjoy. Happy stitching!